हाँ सर, आप हमें बताइए, हमें जानियाब कीजिए इस बारे में कि आज जो यहाँ पे ये वर्कशॉप हुआ है, इसका क्या मकसद था बच्चों के सामने लाने का, ये हमें जानियाब
जी
कीजिए इस बारे में।
जैसा कि आप सबको पता है, क्विंटेसेंस इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ द एंटायर स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर व्हेन इट कम्स टू preparing students for the IAS, KS, and JKSSB examinations. And today we conducted a very productive workshop wherein the key components were discussed, wherein the senior faculty of the Quintessence threw light on some of the brewing concepts which are fruitful for the students. Few of the teachers deliberated upon the motivation. Few gave them idea about what are the trades and tricks of qualifying this examination. It was a booster for the students, and students were very much involved in this entire workshop. And even we had the presentations from students wherein they shared the value addition that has happened over the period of time in Quintessence. They were very delighted with this. It is a unique experience. That these kind of workshops, these kind of programs make Quintessence one of the better institutions than the rest in this business. And now I'm going to make one more announcement here that your favorite institution, Quintessence, is going to start the scholarship test for the desirous aspirants for KS, IAS from 9th of March. On 9th of March, there will be a scholarship test. Come and register for that scholarship test, appear in that scholarship test so that you will get a fee waiver. And then the classwork will start from the 13th of March. And come and use this opportunity to prepare for the civil services examination so that you can prepare in the best possible way. See you on 9th, and then the formal classwork will start from 13th.
सर, इसमें बताइएगा हमें जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, व्हाट अबाउट देम?
Yes, we have a definite mechanism for them. Let them come here, appear in the scholarship examinations. Once they score good in the scholarship examinations, they can get a fee waiver even up to 90%, depending on the kind of the merit they will achieve. And then we have a policy for them. The chairman will discuss it with them after verification of the documents. So let them come on the 9th and appear in the examination, and then from 13th we'll have a formal class.
सर हाँ, और एक बात बताइएगा हमें, आपके नज़रिए से क्या लगता है, एक स्टूडेंट के लिए बड़ा एक चैलेंज रहता है ऑल टाइम कि मेरे करियर को लेकर क्या बेस्ट एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलना चाहिए, आपके नज़रिए से क्या रहता है यहाँ पे, जितना आपकी खुद की एक एवेल्युएशन या असेसमेंट है आपकी?
जी, सिविल सर्विसेज में एक चीज़ है, जैसे कि फहद साहब ने अंदर या मोमिन साहब ने इस बात पे डिलिब्रेट किया, वाइल यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन यू गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज होराइजन्स, यू लर्न अ लॉट, यू टेंड टू गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ चैलेंज, और वो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को एनहांस करता है. सो कम एंड ज्वाइन एंड एनहांस योर पर्सनैलिटीज एंड एनरिच योर पर्सनैलिटीज. थैंक यू सो मच.